All right, another crucial news. The Supreme Court is set to deliver its verdict today on bail pleas filed by activist Umar Khalid, scholar Sharjeel Imam and 5 other accused in the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act case linked to the 2020 Delhi riots, bringing to a head a legal battle that has stretched over 5 years. Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, Gulfisha Fatima, Miran Haider, Shifa Rahman, Mohammad Salim Khan and Shadab Ahmed have been booked under the UAPA and provisions of the erstwhile IPC for allegedly being the masterminds behind the February 2020 violence, which erupted amid protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the proposed National Register of Citizens. It left 53 people dead and more than 700 injured in northeast Delhi. A Supreme Court bench comprising Justices Aravind, Kumar and Anjaria had reserved its judgment back in December after marathon hearings involving the Delhi police and senior lawyers appearing for the accused. But you must note that Umar Khalid has been in jail for over 5 years. He has said that the charges against him are false, claiming his speech did not incite riots and were inspired by Gandhian principles of disobedience. He also denied making the remark that he wanted to divide India. Nupur Dogra tracking the latest for us. Nupur, what time are we expecting clarity from the Apex Court and what are the key legal grounds on which the Supreme Court had reserved its earlier judgment?
Well, Parnesh, we can expect the order any time near 10:30 a.m. today. Bench headed by Justice Aravind Kumar had in fact reserved its verdict in December last year. The main argument that all the accused, including Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam and 5 others have made in the top court while seeking bail is their prolonged incarceration. They have claimed that they have been now in jail for more than 5 years with a delay in trial, without the trial being completed. Remember, the Supreme Court has time and again reiterated its earlier this principle of bail is rule and jail is exception in several high-profile cases over the past 2 years. But the Delhi police and investigation agencies who have in fact cited a larger conspiracy behind the Delhi riots and have alleged that Umar Khalid and others were in fact the mastermind of these riots, and they have also cited foreign push behind and have also called this conspiracy a probable regime change operation. The Delhi police had in fact made certain glaring claims about the role of the accused persons in triggering the riots of Delhi 2020. However, all of the accused have in fact opposed this stance by the Delhi police. The court will now, if at all the court decides whether it wants to grant bail to the accused, it will only be considering the question of prolonged incarceration and whether they meet the threshold of bail is rule and jail is an exception, because the Delhi police has said that in stringent laws like UAPA and when national security is in question, bail is rule and jail is exception principle cannot be applied. So the entire judgment today will be on this principle, and it will be important to see whether the favor or not.
Indeed. Nupur, we'll touch base with you post 10:30. Thanks so much.